I'm gonna start on my eggplant and avocado salad. I'm gonna grill some red onions also.
Okay.
Some eggplant and some red onions. And I'm not gonna grill the avocados.
Well, that's good.
I know, some people think that's a good idea. I don't
It's not
for me.
that's probably a very good idea.
Let's see, I'm gonna cut these about an inch thick. Now I'm gonna actually just open up one of my avocados, and I'm gonna make this quick salad. So I'm gonna actually start to put my, my salad together. Grilled red onions, grilled eggplant, and some avocado. And I'm gonna take some grilled eggplant, I'm just gonna dice this up, and of course, please chop this up as well. And I'm gonna do a very simple dressing. All right, so I'm gonna make my very quick vinaigrette. Red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard. I'm gonna finish it with some extra virgin olive oil.
Smells good over there.
I'm trying to make you happy.
All right.
And then what I'm gonna do is just gonna take some of my dressing and just a tiny bit of dressing just to kind of glaze the salad. Get our avocado salad out here. A little bit of red onions.
That looks delicious.
It's very simple. It's a good side dish to go with our fish. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of lemon and just kind of zest some lemon on top of this.
See, you're feeling the love of the lemon.
I know, you're inspiring me.
I'm telling you.